It is October 27th, 2020, and we are on our way to a client's home in Mount Laurel, New Jersey. There's multiple jobs here that he wants done. We're going to focus in on recaulking the shower in this video because it is the nastiest, and I mean the nastiest, shower recaulk job I've ever come across. Let's get to it. I'll show you how nasty it is right after this. Alright, so look at that LED light. You can see the refresh rate of it. Looks like it's blinking. It's really not. This is the shower stall here. Needs to be recaulked. After it's cleaned.
That's nasty. I'm gonna go throw up.
One might wonder why sometimes I feel compelled to put latex gloves on. Well, this is one of the reasons. Look at this nastiness. Ugh. God. Now this isn't really part of the job, but I'm leaning over this to work inside that shower, and I don't want this on me. So I'm going to clean this off and then spray it with some glass cleaner that I have and wipe it down real good because I just don't want to deal with it. Steel wool. It's not going to make it perfect, but it's definitely going to make it better than I can get with a razor knife. Foaming glass cleaner, let it sit. a little bit, and then I'm gonna hit it with steel wool and try to get the walls cleaned up in here at the lower half best I can. It does help. It's not a cure-all to everything, but it does help eat through the loose mold. See, it comes right out of them grout lines. Just making sure that all the tiles are clean with the steel wool. Going over all of them, getting all the water stains off. And I'm also cleaning the grout lines in here. Just lightly. Just trying to get any kind of gunge out. Big improvement. Not perfect, but big improvement. Yeah. Alright, so I'm putting painter's tape along here, leaving a gap where I want the silicone to be. This way I get a nice even gap across, even bead across the whole shower. So the base pan is still discolored, but as you can see, everything's resiliconed. All of the mold is gone. It's gone up the corners. And she's gonna be ready for water in about 30 minutes to an hour. That's what she looks like. That's the final job. I know the base pan's still kind of nasty looking, but that's the homeowner's job. That's not my job to clean showers. I'm gonna tell them to get some Tile X or a tub and tile cleaner, put it on there, and that should take that discoloration away. Katana's over here changing out this faucet. Changing out the faucet like she did this one. She already changed this one and she's changed the trap.